everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Ronda MC. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I want to share these really cute Valentine Shadow Boxes that I made. These I made using a 4x6 picture frame, and you can make them for any occasion. Alright, well let's get started. Alright you guys, you're going to need a picture frame, and the picture frame you'll want to take the back off of it, and you'll want to hot glue the glass down so it doesn't come out. Okay. You will need to either use a card or, in this case, I used a gift bag and I cut it up for my background. This is a card that I found at the Dollar Tree that would probably work as well. But what I did is I went ahead and I cut those out. And this is the back of my frame. Okay. You'll need some pop dots. You'll need some of the little foam hearts from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some foam core board, and you'll want to cut 2 pieces at 1 inch by 5 3/4, 2 pieces. And then you'll want to cut 2 pieces 1 by 3 3/4. Okay, so there's your 2 pieces. You'll need some hot glue, and you'll need a die or maybe some stickers that you might want to put on top of the heart. All right, so let me show you how to put this together. What I did is the insert that was inside my picture frame, I just put that down on the back of my gift bag and traced it out. So it's the, the proper measurements here. Okay. And what you want to do to it is, if your stuff has words on it, you want to make sure that when you adhere it, that you adhere it in the right direction. So when it's standing up, all your words are going in, the right way. So with this, all I did was I used some tape runner. And you'll just want to stick that down. Okay, and again, I want to make sure that all my words are going in the right direction. And I'll just put this on top. Okay, press it down. Make sure it's down really good. So now we've got that on there. Then what you'll want to do is also you want to cut out a little piece, probably like 1 by 1 piece of foam core board. And that you'll want to stick down to the back of your foam heart that you have, and you just want to put it right in the center. Okay, so I've got that glued down. All right, and then I have some pop dots that I used, and I stick them on the back of my little cherub. Okay, and then I want to stick that down in the center. Okay, and then it has that little heart. Let's see. I'm going to need a really teeny piece. I think I'll take one of these little pop dots and maybe cut that in half. So I have a piece of the pop dot that I've cut, and I've got it stuck on the back. We're just going to stick that on here. Okay, there we go. Hopefully that's going to stay in place. Okay. Now that we have all these put together, the next step is to, you want to glue down all of your pieces of foam core that we cut. And I like to do my top pieces first, and make sure that you have it, try to have it centered so you have enough room on each side, so when you go to put this piece down, that everything fits properly. And you want to make sure to just use a little bit of hot glue. You don't have to take a whole lot, because if you put too much, I found that it seeps through on the other side, and you'll be able to see it through your glass. Okay, so then that's that one that we've glued down. And then we'll take our other one, and we're going to glue it down. Just a little bit of glue. And then again, you want to make sure that you have it centered, so you have room on either side for your longer strips. Okay, so that's down. Then you'll take your longer strips. See, those are going to go in here on the side like this. So you just run a little bit of hot glue down that. Okay. And stick that on. All right. Now on to the last piece. Stick that down. Okay, and now that we have all those glued down into place, we are going to take our heart with the little cherub on it, and we're going to hot glue that down. You want to make sure everything's going in the right direction. And I'm just going to stick this here in the center. And there we go, like so. Okay, and then all you have to do is just go around the edge again. Just a little bit of hot glue. You don't have to go crazy. Now also you can get real creative. You could put like some little red heart candies in there, or you know, kind of make it like a little shaker shadow box as well. But all right, there we go. Just glue that all down. Make sure it's pressed down. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the project share today, and I really appreciate you all being here. Thank you again for watching, and have a blessed day.